We are 2 weeks apart from 2021. Whatsoever we have done in 2020 as a freelancer, either we get success or we don't get success in 2020, we are going to take that into backyard, and now we are going to move in 2021, and I'm going to tell you that what you are going to do in 2021 to get more project, to get more success and earn money in 2021. Let's get started. We have complete course for freelancer, and if you want to learn complete course which is completely listed and organized all for you, and you are going to get that freelancing course with amazing discount which is in the description of that video, then you just check out that freelancing video and get discount and just go and learn complete freelancing. Hi everyone, it's me Jamshaid Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you what you are going to be a freelancer, and you have started your freelancing career, and now it is going to be a 2021, and what you are going to do in 2021 to be a successful freelancer. First, you have to just improve your communication skill, and for that, if you are like native English speaker, then that is not a problem for you to communicate with any person in all over the world, because English language is a way of universal communication language which is usable like in entire world, and you will be comfortable to talk with anyone. Apart from that, if you are not native English speaker and you are like me whose English is not good, but you can communicate and you can just find out your way to any project to talk with client, then you have or you will get project easily. And if you don't know how to speak English language or how to write English language, and you want to work as a freelancer, then it will be very difficult journey for you. Therefore, you have to improve your English language communication, where you will easily get project without any problem, because most of the time any client from any part of the world will communicate with you in English language, and when you are going to satisfy the client with your communication, then it will be easy for you to get project from them easily, and after that you will be able to show your skill. The first and most important part of the freelancing is to improve your English language communication. The second point which I have come through, that is skill, and your skill should be like in high level, because you should not compromise with your skill. If someone give you any project, you should deal with any problem and with any difficulty while you are working on any skill or any project, because if you are going to face any problem yourself, then it will be difficult for you to solve the problem of the client while working in any project. Therefore, you have to not compromise with your skill, and you are going to lag with your skill, then the client will give the project to someone else, and you will no longer earn money from that same client, and it will just stop your long-term relationship. Now, what you are going to do if you are like don't have that much skill to deal with the client, then you have to go through different online platform, like right now you are using YouTube. You can also search for different like skill which you have already interested, and you are going to learn all those skills, and once you are going to improve your skill, then you can come up as a freelancer and to earn money and to make your client as a long-term relationship. Okay, the third one is also related to skill. And the emerging skill which is like uplifting every day, that is different skill which is increasing, the demand is increasing day by day. And those skills are, for example, I'm going to mention, it is artificial intelligence and also robotic, which is related to each other, and data science, which all these three are like interrelated, and they are just we are going to deal with all these field with the programming. If you are going to learn programming and you are going to opt or select like data science, robotic or artificial intelligence, your increasing your like getting job and project will increase, because you can see we are moving into the world where automation will be like the future. And if you want to be the part of that automation, like we are using every day in automotive, in mobile phones, in different devices like computer, laptop, and and also smartphones, then you should work on that platform. If you are developer, front-end developer, if you are web developer, you have to just diverge yourself from that platform. I'm not saying that you have to leave the platform completely, but you have to also concern all those a part of programming as well, because in future you will see the demand of all these like data science, artificial intelligence, robotic will increase. And if it will increase, then on the spot, if you are going to diverge yourself, or if you are going to learn all those skills, then you lag behind from the people who have who has already started that skills. Therefore 2021 is also best for all those people who are going to learn artificial intelligence and programming, automotive, and also developing mobile phones as well, because most of the business are coming into mobile phone devices, and they are just selling their products in the mobile phone devices. Therefore, if you are going to learn mobile app development, artificial intelligence, data science, and also robotic, it will give you more chances to get job, projects, and also make your different products as a freelancer and to earn and make money in the near future. Okay, there is also different concept behind the online earning, that most of the people from different part of the world are scamming the client as well as the freelancer. And therefore you should be aware of all these scams when you are moving and stepping into freelancing world. If you have started your freelancing career right now, and if you don't know ABC of the freelancing and you are a beginner freelancer, then you should also be aware of all these scams, because there are many scammers in freelancer as well, where they can just scam you and take your money, and they will escape from the platform and they will never come back to you. Now what you are going to do, I'm not saying that every online platform is pure or it is completely scam, but there are some people in every platform. There are good and bad people as well. What you are going to deal, and you have to analyze what is the wrong people, where is the wrong people, and how to deal with all those people, and how to just understand their methodology and to counter their scam and to be successful as a freelancer. Then be aware of freelancer as well and scammer as well. The fifth one which I'm going to discuss, it is your positivity, your motivation. If you are going to come into freelancer, then as a beginner I am going to give you suggestion that you must not consider yourself that you will get a project in one day. It is not possible. For someone who is fortunate enough or who is lucky, they will get in 1 week or in 1 month or even in 1 day or even in 1 hour, but it is not possible for everyone. Therefore, you should be optimist. You should be motivated enough that you are going to suffer like 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 months. Then after that, you will get your first project, and that first project will give you a lot of sense, where it will encourage you to move your career as a freelancer and to be successful and to make money online. But you should remember that it is not easy task to get project in freelancing, but the mentality which you will get, like, you have to be optimist, and you should understand that there is difficulty, and after difficulty you will get the result as a positive result. Then you will work on the platform without any problem or anxiety. Therefore, you keep in mind that after difficulty there is always comfort as well, and keep working, and you will get success one day. 2021 will be a successful year for your career, and if you still want to learn and want to make money online, then there are different platforms for freelancing. But remember that following all these tips will give you benefit and give you a sense how to make money and how to be a successful person as a freelancer. And you already know that a freelancer are those people who are the boss of himself and who can earn and make money as much as they want, and they will not be like under action of any person who is like taking them to anywhere. Therefore, as a freelancer, if you are working and if you are going to take all these points in your mind, you will get success in 2021 and afterward. I hope it will give you a complete sense that how you are going to work as a freelancer. And if you like that video, this thumbs up, share with your friends, and also if you have any problem, just just write that in comment box below. For now, give me permission to say goodbye.